Are you frustrated by spending hours searching for the right answers in endless pages? We're thrilled to introduce you to the ebook that gives you everything you need at your fingertips. Unlocking Maths, an interactive ebook with past papers and solutions for Leaving Certificate Maths, packed with 400 pages of state questions from the past 10 years and 600 pages of expert answers. It's your ultimate study hack. Tap your way through questions and answers, saving precious time and letting you study wherever you are. Take notes, highlight key concepts, and easily share pages with your teachers and classmates. If you prefer to learn through video, we have Unlocking Maths Plus, powered by the Tuition Centre, where you can watch questions being solved step by step. Don't miss out on this game-changing study tool. Get Unlocking Maths now. Visit forschools.ie and supercharge your studies today.